The simple system that built my freedom. This is the part where everything comes together. You've heard my story. You've seen the cracks in the old system. Now I want to show you how I finally built something that really works. It's called the Legacy Builder Program, and it's designed for beginners, retirees, side hustlers, and anyone who's done playing small. Only 2 hours a day, 100% profit from every sale, a done for you system. Just plug it in with mentorship that walks beside you. I'll take you through what happens after you make your first sale. Why most people don't need followers or fancy tech. I don't have any. The truth about Master Resell Rights and how Verizon uses it too. And I'll answer real questions like, isn't this just another program? No, it's a business you own. Can someone my age really do this? Yes, I'm 73. Will I get support if I get stuck? Absolutely. You're not doing this alone. You own it, but you're not ever alone. Comment freedom, and I'll send you the link, the blueprint, and the daily system I use, because no one should have to guess their way to success. There's nothing wrong with you, but there is something wrong with the system you were handed. Let's change that together. Don't just break free, build free.